Hey guys, come join me for a quick tour of the Michigan Fine Yarns store. We'll walk right in and take a look at some items. Oh, I spy the made for you cowl and tons of kits. When you walk in, it's a little bit overwhelming at first, but I promise it's not bad. Hey, that's me, Divya. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the store and let's jump right in. This side of the store has tons and tons of cotton acrylic blends, so many different options to choose from. You'll see colors, different brands, so many different fibers, everything there for every price point, every type of project you might want to make. And our team is always enthusiastic and excited to talk to everyone as they walk through the store. And we're happy to help you find the right yarn for your project. We've got so many cottons here. Here's Hampton by Cascade Yarns, super fun for the summer. And all these sale items too that you want to kind of dig through. There's always some good finds there. So many notions, as you can see. I spy some cocoa knits, and we'll do another video on these amazing kits that we've created here in-house. That's the made for you hat. There's a made for you cowl. So many great finds. Here's a little sneak peek of our hat and the cowls. Another video on that soon though, but let's take a look on the other side of the store. We've got hand-dyed items over here. We're currently working on restocking, so you'll see a little bit of things on the table. This is the Academic Hobbyist collection of notions. You can find those online or in store. And oh, there's Trisha. Hi. Yep, more on our team soon, I promise. And let's see if we catch Soren. Hey, Soren. Okay, let's do another quick tour of this side of the store. So we've got Koigu. We got some other new arrivals we'll do another video on soon. Tons and tons of fibers, much more to see. Some Madeline Tosh here for those who love that yarn. And we've got some rust on this side. As you can see, this is a fiber lover's dream. Come see us.